Well, hello folks, Pete here again. This is the third product that I had purchased from BioSafe, and this is a fabric and carpet renewal product. Clean up spots and pet stains and things of that nature. What I've been using it for is spraying the dog's bed, and we have some outdoor wicker furniture, and I like to spray it on there. It freshens it up real nice, smells good, and it is friendly to your septic system. So it's not like a harsh cleaner. It's not going to do any harm to your septic system. And so far, I'm really enjoying this stuff. The dog likes it. My wife likes it, says it makes the furniture smell good. We've had an exceptionally rainy May and June here in West Texas, and a lot of our lawn furniture, our porch furniture, ends up getting a little wet. And you know what that does: mildew and mold and smells. But anyway, this fabric and carpet renewal takes care of all that. Check them out. They're BioSafe One.